Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. 1 in 10 Cardano holders see profit as analysts continue to hold on to the possibility of a $5 milestone in 2022. ADA failed to break beyond $1 in the latest rally. Over 80% of investors are underwater and in need of a September-like breakthrough. Analysts continue to hold on to the possibility of a $5 milestone in 2022. According to recent data from Into the Block, only about 501,290 ADA addresses were flipped into the profit zone on the hell of its latest near-milestone rally. At a current price of 89 cents, the latest figure represents a 4% decline from its year-to-date cost-value profitability analysis, which bestowed an additional 150,000 addresses in such green gains. Since the start of the year, Cardano has struggled to lift close to 80% of its total active addresses out of the no-profitability zone. Even with an upward shift in its price, there still exists 4.3 million addresses, consisting mostly of addresses less than 6 months old who bought the peak, patiently hoping for a near $3 rebound. Back in September 2021, the Charles Hoskinson project had sniffed the decks of the much-coveted $3 value breakthrough after the announcement of its latest smart contract support hit mainstream. Its $3.10 sugar rush attracted close to 800,000 new addresses, which believed the periods of its 1,600% single-year value increase were enough to signal for a profitable invitation. While every single one of these new addresses has remained underwater over the last 6 months, there are still hopes that Cardano will reach the much-anticipated $5 strong mark, given the possibility of increased institutional adoption in 2022. An upside to its downside is the growing number of ADA holders, signified by a sharp drop in daily transactions in correlation with price. ADA has shut off close to 66% of its September transaction volume, which stood at $137.4 billion. Only $43 billion worth of ADA is currently making the traffic rounds. Beyond the rational assumption that ADA holders are learning to hold, this may most likely mean close to 80% of its total active addresses are not giving up on their current lost state, a good sign for the long-term aspiration of the self-acclaimed Ethereum killer. Internally, analysts have attributed Cardano's lack of significant institutional milestone achievements since its smart contract launch as a reason for a drawback on its momentum. But the fledgling altcoin, which sits pretty at the 9th spot, is also a victim of a flurry of US regulatory back and forth, including the forthcoming federal rates hike and the ongoing Russia-Ukraine conflict. Like other top cryptos, it has also taken a fair dent from the wave of inflation gripping the US and Europe. And the second news today is Cardano's Daedalus 4.9.0 wallet goes live. Here's what you should know. The proof-of-stake blockchain platform Cardano Ada has recently launched on the mainnet a new upgrade of its Daedalus wallet, with several user interface (UI) improvements. Cardano announced this update on the IOHK YouTube channel on Thursday, March 3rd, along with posting the release notes on its website. Both explain in great detail the improvements and new features. Daedalus is a full node wallet, which means that an instance of Cardano node runs in your system every time you use it, giving you direct access to the blockchain. The wallet runs the Ouroboros protocol locally, without any intermediaries or third-party intervention, providing a high level of decentralization and security. The new version of the wallet, Daedalus 4.9.0, uses the Cardano node 1.33.0, introducing dramatic enhancements in terms of synchronization times and memory usage reduction. It also provides the user with more information about what the node is doing under the hood, particularly its startup. According to Carlos Lopez de Lar, Cardano's technical support agent, the process of sending native tokens has been made simpler. The new token picker dialog displays all the information about the token, including the fingerprint, ticker, name, description, policy ID, asset name, and balance. The user only needs to tick the box to select the tokens they wish to transact and enter the amount. He added that the wallet's menu has been improved for better navigation, with the addition of sorting and filtering features. Another improvement is the table view of users' current delegation settings. Finally, the update is fixed the Windows 11 issue that caused available disk space to display incorrectly on this operating system. Cardano has recently broken records with its total value locked hitting an all-time high on March 2 with $133.39 million, surpassing its previous record of February 17. The platform also recorded an increase in the number of wallets during February, with nearly 5,000 added daily. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.